Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so Kennedy Japan any will be nim asem no it has actually taken a year center stage na nkofo bebre etro mo adwen ewo asem we so will be nim aba abonten den sem abetuga now me be analysis na mebo will be nim ne audio bi atremo na analysis wa me be ye mesre munya so na muntie ebia na will be enim de ekọ onte asem na se ye. Okay, and Dra Kennedy Japan eba no what nsem bi atuga efa wo bi nim ho na allegations ni nia no eye money laundry obi be bisa say sa money laundry no eye den eno ni asema wo bi ebe bisa right now am ne wo ka say wo check eye dictionary the definition of eye money you better say a phrase the definition of the phrase money laundering, that's it, money laundering. Definition no, I'm reading the intro was say the concealment of the origins of illegally obtained money, typically by means of transfers involving foreign banks or legitimate businesses. Tie, was say the concealment of the origins of illegally obtained money, typically by means of transfers involving foreign banks or legitimate businesses. Was a money laundering no senior enkrofo bi wo mode omosika sika bi a ebia sika fin wo mode sie na senior wo moye ene se wo mode fa foreign banks ana wo mo adwuma bi wo mo adwuma papa bi a wo ye no mo hye da discount afim eno ne friend money laundering meaning say what ya say dia asem ni ya fa ne say wo bi abrochre at ya say wo bi akoye ebi a cocaine money na wonya sika kese bi te say ebi a $2 million now money laundering no ene say nipa kono transfer sa sika no akoto ne foreign bank account bi mu what this year because onim say sa $2 million no what the nim kan anane ni kan ene call ya ye be bisa ne say sika no wonya we he na wo yi ano a ye be hu ne say daabi wonya no kwan bone so inti ye be che no inti wo sheda e discount wo company bi a na wo sheda discount na fasa company mi ana bank account bi a na wa share their fame and no an additional na try and say a money laundering at this point na asema me bekanti and am share that I explaining money laundering in some no and a definition na ama say na obeti ase okay Kennedy Japan ba no allegation kese and a wode to obinim so obinim no wo money laundering. Na to say sike bia wo bi nim ne ebia na nka e wo se wo tua ho tax because obi nim na adu say bi obesend this car akoman bi so normally sike bia ebia yemma ho kwan say that amount of money no yemma ho kwan say e wo se wo sene ekọ man bi so ana so wo pese wo sene sa amount of money na e wo se wo tua tax bi e wo so no obi nim evade sa tax no eno ne friend money eno so ka ho a eno so example friend money laundering iti Kennedy Japan den sembe tu just say obi nim money laundering because ye nim say obi nim ne yere e wo Spain ena de yatin no ene say every time obi nim mostly was seniska because ne yere ne mba ne wo Spain it was seniska e command ne yere ne mba a wo mo Spain no Kennedy Japan ma yeti ase say obi nim ne junior pastors na wo mudi nechi no wo bi nim eheda eyusu wo mo account e de say niska na because onim say wo yusu wo no obi nim ni account a sika ne so ye be hu ne say daabi sika we e wo say wutua we e wo so e wo say wutua tax into wo cheche sika ni mo nketenkete e wo ni junior pastors no wo de to wo mo account mu na wo de afa wo mo account ni mu akọ foreign account na e wo abrochire no eno ni allegation na ye de bo obi nim so Kennedy Japan de bo ne so a work as a money laundering. No. Okay, so this being said, me person me put audio be at show because Kennedy Japan this allegation. Now wait there, meka me obi a de bia me kan say Kennedy Japan what den say me ba one for evidence in kan ho. This particular money laundering in some Kennedy Japan at the evidence be a wo be hu say wo be ni junior pastors no ye transfer sika bi nkete aha what you say yes wo be hu. Now Kennedy Japan this allegation to will be him so every year will be provided proof per se. But the document be by any ye hu ye. Kennedy Japan the buy ye hu ye no. And I will be him a babontin a be reply. Mr. Mun yi mo aso na mun tie reply ni ye. Na reply na will be him my no. Ye be ye analysis. I will reply ni so. Yengo timbra.
Menye money laundry. Money laundry kwa menwie abrante ya wafa sika yi abrante wafa sika yi ena guy ba ko dia me de fam a ekopie Ecobank eno so kora anko so ate ase anko etimi pese me ka ho asem enti ho de yintwa so ate ase yintwa so
for very short audio na mwati audio no mwati asem a wo bi nim aka na me quote no was say me nya money obi nim put no friend money laundry but the right word money laundering obi nim say money laundry and actually obi nim say me nya money laundering ye we na the second thing I work kan money amotie audio no second thing I work kan was say money laundering ne kra menwie abrantie we a work kan ne ho asem no Kennedy Japan be exposing no Kennedy Japan ebo audio of obinim and one of the former workers be na esanse na Kennedy Japan wo use wo account na wo de SNS ka eco spending no one of the workers be wo de sika ne to ne worker ne account mu no and na ne worker no edwane yes mo be kai a last year me the reports be bremo say Kennedy Japan akọ report one of the workers be ama police for send the workers no ed ni sika over 50,000 Ghana cedis edwane nini na asem wenti se me say Kennedy Japan sorry obinim na meka sorry some be kaya mame kan bi some be kaya last year me the report be bremo say obinim a report ne worker ba ko bi ma police for say ne worker no ed ni sika be 50,000 Ghana cedis edwane na eno ena anasa nipa kro no ena Kennedy Japan ebo audio no na branche no se nia ni sika no odi dwane ye no and then ye ti ase se na wo bi ni pese wo use sa branche ne account e de send sika nti obi ni de sika ni tu mu no ena branche no nso wo dwane ye ena beda ne asem munti asem ni ye nti wo bi ni masem a wo kani wo se menya money laundering ne kra menwie twi no kan was money laundering ne kra menwie abrante na wo be kasaye no asema wo kan no abrante na wo be kasaye no ne account ne kra no ye de send this kan no anko was account ba ko bi so no se abrante we ne dia no wenwie na abrante ne dwane ye na second account bi eno so wo mo send this kan kra anko audio no someone mot say ye eno ne nsema wo kan wo na try say wo be name is accepting say ne kra money laundering ne kra wenwie into one no suffer no he's now in a way accepting say he was in a process to do the money laundering but baako ana branch we dey ne kra wenwie because a branch ne de sika ne dwane ye second one so was wo mo ye no anko na try say indeed he had that mentality to do the money laundering. Okay, nothing spoil. Kennedy Japan amaya tiasie said this alleged money laundering no what they told so no enye one spec almost every single time o person will send this car eco spinner sa na wo ye it say enda dia no na wo ye na anko what of the previous ones eye question na maybe say will be ni wontie me ye Ghana has say se obi ekokum obi na ye china ye de nutum even though I won't ku nipa ko ni yo but ye de nutum for attempted murder. And you two different cases. Murder, any laundry, money laundering, no. And you two different cases. But with this audio, my bachelor, no, Obinim himself is just say, I even don't understand Obinim. Man, say what you saying, I was all back. Me assure say Obinim 8 year. Obinu no who say, Wababonte, ebe can same way. Now I understand him. Because on also feel say Kennedy Japan are exposing it in the whole premise and was say will be year anointing. See how Obinim has come out to goof big time. What's the money laundering the crime area? So our statement now and make us say, Obinim, why you born? Just say you are accepting. Say even the money laundering, you were doing it, but you couldn't complete it. What's the money laundering the crime area? Bakuni kaya sende ye na anko na tre se wo ye nso anko eno ni asema Obinim na ana asema Obinim e de betu dwa no me ba o like no otia like ana money laundering no na want ase ebia the term money laundering no and Obinim want ase because so wo papa bonti aba implicate wo hu say I say the chrono at will be so, then the Bacuna Babon to say, oh, chrono the crime in we, me yes, me cobo, and I say, meant to me, it didn't go through. So be able to say, Dabby, a branch away, and on your papa. Obinim. Nagana has a cry, it's just say, dear crania, it's your software. Obi the car, but Obi child you to know, tia. Obi Well, and you see, one thing they said, it is because I saw no enjoy more taxes. Into was so full, it was a tax, it will be hono, and I be hono, because that pastor is not, it's not, that pastor is not acclimatized to paying tax. That pastor is not used to paying tax. All you know, boy, and what's here? Obinim na kasa yo won na kasa na kasa e o se money laundering no kra wen wie en na meka no akoye se wo bi kokun obi na ya be che no ana ya ba be expose no na wa ba bonti abeka se nipa ko ana bi kokun ne kra no men wie. What does it mean? Not to say indeed you are tempted to kill the person. Right there. I was saying we'll be in Bible until be in Nehwano. Was the money laundry in the media? Obi Baka say, hey, melodies. Media Honana, a Honana ring will be 3 more. Money laundry in the money laundry. I say, we'll be in air say, Chronona, and I may be born a crano, Mambo and ye, and I may ye. Nabe na mkwan so amebebo asem we die esun se me mo try mo abi comment box mo me da say